All right, question 11. We have an equation negative 2x plus 3y equal to 6. In the xy plane, the graph of which of the following equation is perpendicular to the graph of the equation above? Okay, so we're looking for an equation that's perpendicular to what we have here. So what we want to remember is that for perpendicular lines, they should have opposite reciprocal slope. Okay, so for perpendicular line, two lines are perpendicular. Their slope should be opposite reciprocal. All right, so opposite means if you have a positive slope, right, the other one should be negative, right? If you have a negative, the other one should be positive, vice versa. Okay, so then the reciprocal is we have to flip the fraction. Okay, so we had to flip the fraction. So if we have like positive 2/3 one slope, then the opposite reciprocal will be negative 3/2. Okay, so we flip the fraction, make it opposite. Okay, so what we can check is we can find the slope of this line that we have, and then we can go through each answer choices and see which one has opposite reciprocal slope. Then we know they will be perpendicular. All right, so the difficult part for this one is that they're not in the slope-intercept form. So we do want to get y by itself. Okay, solve for y first, so it'd be easier to tell what the slope is. Okay, so we try the original equation. We have negative 2x plus 3y equal to 6. And we're going to solve for y. We can do plus 2x on both sides. Okay, so get rid of the minus guy, so do plus 2x on both sides, we get 3y equal to 6 plus 2x. We're going to say that's 2x plus 6. Okay, and then to get y by itself, we can go ahead and divide by 3 on both sides. All right, so 3 cancel, get y by itself, y equal to be 2x over 3, which is, you can rewrite it as 2 over 3x, plus 6 over 3, which is equal to 2. Right, so this is our equation in the slope-intercept form, which we can tell the slope is 2/3. Okay, for this line, the slope is 2/3. Okay, so is 2/3 is the slope, and what's the opposite reciprocal? That should be negative 3/2. Okay, so pretty much we're looking for the slope. Okay, the slope of the line that we want is negative 3/2. So out of the answer choices, which one has that slope? That should be our answer. Okay. Then unfortunately, we do have to rearrange them into the self-intercept form. Okay, so if we start with the answer choice A, we'll just have to go through each one and see which one has that. So we have 3x plus 2y equal to 6. And we're going to solve for y. We'll do minus 3x on both sides. Okay, move over to x. We get 2y equal to 6 minus 3x, where we can say that 3x plus 6. And then to get y by itself, we had to divide by 2 on both sides. Okay, so 2 cancels, you get y equal to the negative 3x over 2. So we can rewrite it as negative 3/2x plus 6/2. That is 3. That's the y-intercept. Okay, so we see the slope for this one is negative 3/2. Wow, that's actually what we want, right? Okay, so we're looking for is negative 3/2. So A should be the final answer then. Okay, so that will be it for number 11. So the y-intercept doesn't matter. They could be the same or different. Doesn't really matter. So as long as they have opposite reciprocal slopes, then the two lines have to be perpendicular. Okay, so that should be it for this one. If you check the other answer choices, they don't have the slope that we're looking for. Okay, so 11, the answer should be letter A for this question.